More than 90% of the world's children breathe toxic air. Every year around 570,000 children under 5 years die because of air pollution. It is more than 3 children per minute. That is why we should aware of environmental pollution. This is where environmental studies play a vital role. In this video I am going to give you an overview of environmental studies, and what are we going to study, through this video series, from beginner level to advance. The term environment is derived from the French word environ, meaning surrounding. This is why we define the environment as the surroundings including us. According to the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, the environment is the natural world, in which people, animals and plants live. Under environmental studies, mainly we are studying human interactions with the environment, which we need to solve environmental problems, such as pollution, overpopulation, climate change, global warming, etc. Core subjects which come under environmental studies are physical sciences, economics, and social sciences. Under environmental studies, we are studying 4 segments of the Earth: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is a blanket of gases that forms a distinctive protective layer around the Earth, which is about 100 kilometers thick. Without the atmosphere, we cannot think about life on Earth, since it provides oxygen to all organisms that produce their energy through aerobic respiration. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is a material of photosynthesis, the process which gives energy to all the organisms on the Earth. And it is the primary source of carbon for organisms. Without the atmosphere, the Earth would be very hot during the daytime, and very cold during the nighttime. Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is the total amount of water on our Earth. Water on our Earth exists in 3 states, which are liquid, solid, and gas. Solids in glaciers, and polar ice caps. Liquids in oceans, seas, lakes, streams, lagoons, and also as groundwater. Gaseous state in the atmosphere. Without water, there is no life form on Earth which we can find today. Lithosphere. The lithosphere is the place where we all live. It is composed of the outer mantle and the crust. We get all the minerals essential for our life from the lithosphere. Plants absorb minerals from the soil through their roots and give them to all the other organisms. Biosphere. The atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere are the physical elements or the non-living part of the Earth. And the biosphere is the living part. It includes all the living things from unicellular microorganisms to blue whales. In this video series, I will discuss all the segments in detail in an effective way. If you think this is interesting and you want to be a part, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We have already discussed the physical and biological elements of the Earth. Other than these 2 elements, there is another element, which comes under environmental studies, which is cultural element. Economical, social and political elements come under cultural elements. And those are the main drivers in human society. Scope of environmental studies. By studying the environment, you will get to know about the conservation of natural resources, ecological aspects, how the natural resources get polluted in our surroundings, social issues connected to it, and impacts of the human population on the environment. The main reason for the degradation of the environment is the development of technology, which leads to industrialization, urbanization, commercial agriculture, advancement of telecommunication and transportation systems. Each year we gain new evidence of the devastating impact on us by global environmental issues. Scientists believe that climate change due to global warming could lead to the death of more than 250,000 people around the globe every year. Due to global warming, the disappearance of glaciers, rising sea levels, flooding, drought, and even the extinction of many plant and animal species may occur. We also experience ozone depletion, acid rain, marine pollution and loss of biodiversity, as a result of environmental pollution. As a part of this biosphere, these are the major challenges we are facing today and need to find solutions. To achieve these goals, public awareness is a crucial thing. That is where environmental studies play a significant role. If everyone is aware of these things, it is easier to find alternative solutions and wise planning of development. This is the introductory video of environmental studies, and the next video explains the basic concepts of biology, mainly about the plant kingdom and plant classification. Thank you for being with me, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.